Ja sam to što mili moj, tražiš ceo život svoj. Kad si prošao ceo svet, pala sam ti na pamet. Pogrešno si ljubio, samo vreme gubio. Sad se opametio, mene se setio. Takva kao ja, baš ti je trebala, da sve ti dada. Takva ko ja, da te trezi, da te opija. Takva kao ja, baš ti je trebala, da sve ti dada. Takva ko ja, da te trezi.
Welcome to my video. Today, we're going to analyze a coin, and I'll show you how to make smarter trading decisions. But before we get started, let me talk about something many people face in the market: losses. A lot of traders get stuck in trades and want analysis, but they never reach out for help. I know many of you are struggling, but you can ask me. My WhatsApp number is on the screen right now. Feel free to message me anytime for guidance. Now, if you look closely at the chart, you'll see that the market is at a strong support level. This is a critical point, and we can only open a trade if we see a clear rejection at this level. But you might be wondering, how do I know if a rejection candle is formed? What if I'm a busy person with a job? How do I set a stop loss? Don't worry, it's simple. You can reach out to us on WhatsApp, and we'll add you to our group. In this group, my team and I share all the trades. I also share my personal trades, and we discuss why the market is going up or down, including important news updates. This helps you understand exactly what's happening in the market and makes it easier for you to make trades. Yes, it's that simple. You can also trade on your own, and here's a pro tip. If you set your stop loss on a rejection candle, the market will rarely hunt your stop loss. It's a solid strategy that will save you from unnecessary losses. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you face any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact us on WhatsApp. We're here to help you.